Hey you guys, thank you so much for choosing my channel, A Sunny Beauty, coming to you with another video. Today's video is going to be a review and brief tutorial over Juvia's Place Douce palette, or Douce, I'm sorry, I don't know how to say it. But I actually created the look that I'm wearing today using this palette. Juvia's actually dropped this palette last Christmas, so hey guys, it's Christmas again. It'll probably be a really great Christmas gift for someone. If you have a guy or a girl who's into makeup, they will absolutely love this. But this is the palette that she dropped, and if you can see here, when I saw it, I didn't really think it was a Christmas palette. I actually thought it was maybe like a Easter or a spring palette, because it's definitely giving me spring vibes. But here it is. I actually used cream, crepes, and chocolate along with macaroon and tart, and also Mont Blanc to create this look. I actually had a chance to go in and really use the palette and play with it. So far I think the color cream, I use it as a base shade, and it is really powdery. It really had a lot of fallout with it, and you can pretty much associate that with matte eyeshadows. This color right here, you can pretty much associate that with matte eyeshadows, the fallout. Sorry, I just want to fix the lighting here. Alright, so this color right here, cream. The next color I put down was crepes, and oh my god, this color is really pretty. They're actually, it gives quite a bit of depth. I like that it's an earthy tone. It didn't have as much fallout as the cream color, but it did have fallout as well. One color that I was very impressed with was the chocolate color. I actually use that color as a smoke out color here in my outer corner, and it looks more purpley than chocolate here. Let me see if I can swatch it, but it definitely shows chocolate here. But as I put it on with the cream and the crepe, it came out as a different color. Here it is on the back of my hand. If you can see, it looks more earthy than anything to me. So that's the color there. And another color that I thought was interesting was the Mont Blanc here. And in the name you would think that it's white, and this color is deceiving because it's a really shimmery color. See that? Now that is shimmery. I thought that one was pretty as well. And also the tart, I used that in my inner corner. And then first I put the tart down in my inner corner, and then I went back with Mont Blanc. So I'll go ahead and swipe the tart. That one's very shimmery as well. Alright, so this is the Douce palette by Juvia's. Will be posting a link to this in my description box, which is an affiliate link for you to purchase the product. But overall, I think it's a really awesome product. It's really dynamic. You can create a variety of looks with it. As you can see here, this isn't even what I expected, but it really turned out really beautiful. And I'm not even really one to play around with colors a lot. I tried to, and it doesn't really turn out right, but I think this look turned out very well. Alright, and that was the tutorial of me using the Juvia's Douce palette. And let me know what you think. Drop something in the comment box, and if you liked the video, definitely click like, and also subscribe to my channel, you guys. Let's get those subscribers up. I really appreciate those who are already subscribed to my channel. And hey, try to recreate the look and tag me in it. I would love to see what you came up with this awesome palette. Thank you so much for watching, and stay beautiful.